Hi, hello, this is Ashok Kumar Ragi. So, today we are going to discussing shortcut method to convert the recurring decimal into P by Q form. Here recurring decimals are two types, whether it is pure recurring decimal or mixed recurring decimal. Here the shortcut method is what? Recurring decimal equals, write the total number without taking point and bar and subtract the number up to non-repeated. So this is numerator, and in the denominator write nines as many digits as repeated and followed zeros as many digits as non-repeated after the decimal point. Here why I am taking bracket, because here pure recurring decimals has all nines in the denominator but not zeros, and mixed recurring decimals are having all nines and as well as zeros also. Now convert the following into P by Q form. Before taking these problems, let us take very shortcut method for some type of recurring decimals. That is 0.x bar is nothing but x by 9, 0.xy bar equal to xy by 99, and 0.xyz equals to xyz by 999 and so on. So let us take one example here. 0.3 bar is equal to 3 by 9. 3 by 9 is nothing but 1 by 3. And similarly 0.012 bar equals to 12 by 99, and here these both are multiples of 3, 3 4 ja, 3 33 ja, that is 4 by 33. And similarly 0.123 bar equals to 123 by 999, that is 41 by 333, and these are all are mixed recurring decimals. That's why here in the denominator we are getting only nines, not zeros. And now here convert the following into Q by Q form, that is 1.6 bar and 1.23 bar and 0.375 bar and 0.37 only 75 bar and 0.375 bar only 5 bar and 0.375 here this is not recurring decimal, so this is you can know 375 by 100. Okay, right here 1A and C, these two are pure recurring decimals. These two are having only nines, not zeros. And first one 1.6 bar is nothing but 16 minus 1, that is write the total number without taking point and bar. Here 1.6 bar, point bar without taking, then that number becomes 16 and minus the number up to not repeated. Here point left side, that is 1 is not repeating, that's the minus 1, by how many nines we have to take, right nines as many digits as repeated, that is only one digit is repeating, that way we are taking only 1 9. So 16 minus 1 is 15 by 9 and 5 3s are 5, 3 5s are 3 3s are, you can verify 5 by 3 equals to 1.6 bar. That is why dividing 5 with the denominator 3, then we will get 1.6666 so on. And second problem is 1.23 bar, this is the mixed recurring decimal, and write the total number without taking point and bar, so that is 123 minus the number up to non-repeated. Here 3 is repeating, up to non-repeated is 12, so that's why it's separating 12. By how many nines we have to take? Only 1 9, because one digit is not repeating. And how many zeros we have to take? After the decimal point, only one digit is not repeating, so that's why we are taking only one digit. And 123 minus 12 is 111 by 90, and 3 table 337 ja, 330 ja. If you have any doubt, you can verify, that is 37 by 30. While dividing the 37 with the denominator 30, you will get 1.23 bar. Okay, right. And next 0.375 bar is, this is pure recurring decimal, that's why we are getting all nines, that is 375 by 999, and then we can simplify. And 0.375 bar, that is 375 minus up to non-repeating is 3 by 990. Two digits are repeating, that's why 2 nines, and after the decimal point one digit is not repeating, that's why 0, and you can simplify. Now 0.375 only 5 is bar, that is 375 minus 37 up to non-repeat 37 by only one digit is repeating, that's why only 1 9, and after the decimal point two digits are not repeating, so that's why 2 nines. Okay, next you will get 338 by 900 and you can simplify. Okay, right. Okay, thank you. Subscribe my YouTube channel.